Are you looking for the best security camera to protect your home in 2026? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best security cameras that offer crystal clear video, smart features, and reliable security. Whether you need outdoor protection, indoor monitoring, or a complete surveillance system, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. aosu Wireless Outdoor Security Camera System, 2K, no subscription. This aosu wireless system offers 2K HD resolution, 166-degree wide-angle view, and works on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It's completely wireless with long battery life and, best of all, no subscription required. This is a great entry-level system for homeowners who want simple installation and reliable performance. The video quality is sharp, and the wide-angle lens covers a large area. The spotlight and siren alarm add an extra layer of protection. Pros: no monthly fees, easy wireless setup, wide 166-degree viewing angle, built-in spotlight and siren alarm, solid battery life. Cons: not solar-powered, limited advanced AI features. Perfect for beginners who want affordable and hassle-free home security. Number 2. aosu Solar-Powered 4-Cam Kit with 360 degrees pan and tilt. This system includes 4 solar-powered cameras with 360 degrees pan and tilt, auto-tracking, and 2K color night vision. If you want maximum coverage with minimal maintenance, this is a top choice. The solar panels mean you rarely need to recharge, and the auto-tracking feature keeps moving subjects in focus. Pros: solar-powered, low maintenance, 360-degree full coverage, auto-tracking technology, no subscription needed, great for large homes. Cons: requires good sunlight for best performance, slightly higher price. Ideal for users who want hands-off, smart outdoor security system. Number 3. aosu 3K 5P Solar PTZ Security Camera 2-Pack. This camera system offers 3K 5-megapixel ultra-clear resolution, panoramic PTZ control, and AI detection for humans and vehicles. This is where things get more advanced. The higher resolution makes a noticeable difference, especially for identifying faces or license plates. The PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom, and AI detection features make it feel like a premium system. Pros: high 3K 5-megapixel resolution, smart human and vehicle detection, panoramic PTZ control, solar-powered convenience, color night vision. Cons: smaller bundle, only 2 cameras, setup slightly more complex. Best for users who want high-end features and sharper video quality. Number 4. aosu 4K Indoor Smart Camera 4-Pack. This indoor camera offers 4K UHD resolution, 360 degrees pan and tilt, and smart detection for pets, babies, and people. It also includes Wi-Fi 6 support. This is the best option for indoor monitoring. Whether you're watching your baby, pets, or home, this camera delivers ultra-clear video and smart alerts. The privacy mode is a great bonus. Pros: stunning 4K video quality, smart detection, baby crying, pets, and motion, Wi-Fi 6 support, privacy mode, comes in a 4-pack. Cons: indoor use only, requires power connection. Perfect for indoor security and family monitoring. Number 5. Hiseeu 4K NVR Security Camera System Wired. This is a wired security system with a 4K NVR, 1 TB HDD storage, and expandable up to 16 channels. If you're serious about security, this system delivers professional-level surveillance. The wired setup ensures stable connection, and the built-in storage means no cloud fees. Pros: reliable wired connection, expandable up to 16 cameras, includes 1 TB storage, great for large properties, no subscription fees. Cons: installation is more complex, not fully wireless. Best for users who want a complete professional home security system. Thanks for watching our top 5 best security cameras for 2026. All product links are in the description below if you want to check current prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews just like this. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.